Are you a tidy person?
Yes, I am. I like to keep myself and my surroundings very clean. I love tidying my house, and you can even call it my hobby.
Do you think people should be tidy all the time?
Yes, I'm very hygiene conscious. I think everyone should follow simple things like washing hands after they use the restroom, covering their face with a handkerchief when they sneeze or cough.
Are you tidier at work or at home?
I would say both. At work, I don't mess up my office cabin with unwanted stuff, and at home, I'm more organized. Everything has its place at my house.
Surroundings. The things and conditions around a person or thing. For example, she hated her surroundings. Tidy as a verb means to bring order to or arrange neatly. For example, the maid tidied the house. Hobby, an activity done regularly on one's leisure time for pleasure. For example, reading was her hobby. Hygiene, as a noun, means conditions or practices conducive to maintaining health and preventing disease, especially through cleanliness.